AstroAI Drill Brush set makes cleaning the toughest spots fast, convenient, and easy. This versatile cleaning kit includes 6 attachments to tackle a variety of surfaces. These sturdy drill attachments clean more efficiently and thoroughly than by hand. Use the included flat brush for level surfaces like hard floors and counters, the round head brush for rounded corners like sinks and car tires, or the small flat brush for narrow areas like windowsills and stovetops. Need a little more reach? Use the included 6-inch extension attachment to clean those hard-to-reach areas. The set's medium stiffness premium nylon bristles scrub bathrooms and kitchens, tile and grout, indoors and outdoors, all without leaving any damage. Cleaning the brushes is easy. Just submerge it in water and spin. The versatile AstroAI Drill Brush set brings fast, hands-free, and thorough cleaning for all of life's adventures.